This Coldwell Banker Holman Premier Realty property video is presented by Lana Kostashchuk. A little over half an acre lot in an area of custom homes in Oregon Shores Unit 2 subdivision. Fantastic views of surrounding mountains and Blue Agency Lake. HOA fee covers yearly water usage, road maintenance and access to the 17 acres recreational park and marina. CHILOQUIN boasts the quiet life. Become one with the outdoors on your own or with visiting family by making time to visit Crater Lake National Park and Hogglestein County Park, both less than 25 minutes away from your new home. Neighborhood is surrounded by beautiful frame-built homes with stunning views. Build your dream home away from the hustle and bustle of the city. Annual association's fee covers community water and road maintenance including snowplow. Please access www.ozark2.org/important documents for all relevant documents of Oregon Shores 2 Association. Buyer to do their own due diligence regarding building regulations, permits, zoning and utilities to the lot. A must-see to envision your future home. For more information, review the details below or contact Lana Kostashchuk at 541-884-1343.